A random food truck and a random reel, and my phone starts melting. And you're about to see the entire story. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to another video. I'm going to be doing a little backstory here. So, this is about a few weeks back. I was very hungry and I wanted to eat something, and I had money for it. So, I found out this food truck from this Instagram ad, and it was very near to my house. So, I tried it out. I went there, no expectations whatsoever. The food was good, and also the ambience was, you know what happens when these two things are good. I make a video about it. So I made a simple, very simple, basic reel about it. I went home, went to sleep, and that's it. No expectations whatsoever. The next morning I wake up, the video has popped off. Like, it starts getting a lot of comments. I wake up to already 5k crossed, and after a couple of weeks it hit 100k. And officially on my Instagram, I've never hit 100k before, so this is a special thing for me. It was my first 100k on my Instagram, and soon to be I might hit 100k on YouTube as well, inshallah. But you know, it was a crazy moment for me. So here's the plan. If a 30-second reel can make this much noise, how about a full-length vlog? And that's why I'm here, to make a full-length vlog. Yo, look at the amount of crowd here. Like the last time I came here, it was very humble. But then now the hype is so much that this place is always crowded. Good thing I came early. If my reel did this, I need royalties and food. So I'm trying the hot gochujang. Last time I tried the player, they said it's really spicy and I can't handle it. So I'm gonna try it. So I'm gonna try this thing. It's like an alternative for Coca-Cola, and I'll see if it's better than it or worse. Let's see. Let's try it. Bismillah. A chicken just fly. First of all, the quantity is really a lot here, so. Let me try the cola. Was the food worth it? Totally. You should go out and try it. It's in JP Nagar. You can check out their Instagram. I'll link it below. And no, I'm not sponsored by them. This was just me celebrating my 100k. My first 100k, my first milestone on Instagram. You can follow me on Instagram as well. And yeah, I post a lot of cinematic content there and aesthetic content. I just post whatever I want, actually. Same thing as here. And I think we have reached the end of the video here. So like, comment, share, subscribe, and see you later. Right, Luffy?